The FLSUN Super Racer 3D printer boasts a remarkable high-speed printing capability, achieving up to 200 millimeters per second and significantly cutting down your printing time. With advanced three-axis linkage technology and high-power stepper motors, this printer ensures outstanding precision and stability while maintaining low noise levels. The auto-leveling system and resume printing function make the FLSUN Super Racer user-friendly and convenient, allowing seamless printing even after power interruptions. A removable lattice glass platform enhances filament adhesion and simplifies the replacement process, contributing to a smooth printing experience. The spacious printing area of 10.2 inches by 13 inches provides ample room for a variety of projects, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. FLSUN offers dedicated customer support, promising quick responses within 12 hours to ensure a satisfactory experience for all users.